And another day of blocking. So we've already been at it about an hour, 2 hours. So Nikki just reminded me that we need to record. So what we're doing right now is 320. So we're using our linear blocks, blocking everything down, making sure there's no waves or little dings and damage that we need to get. For example, like this and that. So it's getting there. Hopefully today we will have this ready for paint. Alrighty, so we are still blocking. So now we have the first stage of 320 done. So now that I have knocked everything down with 320, I'm gonna lay our guide coat. And I like to use powder guide coat. So we're gonna go ahead and lay that, and then we're gonna block it one more time with 320, and that'll let us see any lows or waves or pinholes or any little imperfections. It'll help us see it a little better. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we've had a long day today.
And yesterday.
Yep.
2 days in a row.
So Jesse got his frame pulled off his cab today so that we can do the Raptor liner underneath. So we got it all prepped and seam sealed and ready. So we're gonna do that tonight. And then we also have all of his parts in here. So we're doing all the insides and undersides of everything. So none of that, we just prepped this and sanded it and got it all ready. So none of this really needs stripped all to metal. It's just door jambs, so it will be fine. All right, spray outs are finished. Which one do you like, buddy?
I like these ones.
Yeah, I know which one you like. So which one I like too. Look at that. That looks fucking awesome. So this is basically a light metallic blue with a really heavy pearl interference blue over top. That's what kind of gives it that glow. So and this is the same thing, but just a little bit lighter blue. So I think we're gonna go with the heavy one. And then these are some of them that we did this morning, so we were doing a solid color and adding pearls to kind of see what it would do. And these are pretty cool, but just really not the look we're going for. So yeah, finally have the color.
Finally.
So I'm gonna go ahead and go
spray the inside.
Do those parts. Yep.
Do I look obsessed when I watch you do that dance for me? Love it, love it, love it. How you show that soft smile every time you feel shy. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Do I look obsessed when I watch you do that dance for me? Love it, love it, love it. You know how to pace it, slow down and make it chase it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. static channel, lighting up your body. Scented candles, coconut and bottles. You got it, never left me undecided. Got it, got it, got it, got it. Did I come undamaged? I could be on caddy. Got you and your baggage, talking spent on bandage. I won't lay it down, speak unpolished language. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Do I look obsessed when I watch you do that dance for me? Love it, love it, love it. How you show that soft smile every time you feel shy. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Do I look obsessed when I watch you do that dance for me? Love it, love it, love it. You know how to pace it, slow down and make me chase it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it.
So we are on final blocking right now. So this is what's going to allow us to see all our highs and lows and any scratches that need blocked out. So that is what Nikki is doing now. We already have the truck fully finished. So we have everything absolutely perfect. So there was a couple tiny little pinholes in this area and that area. The other side was perfect. So that's what that icing is. But my epoxy primer will cover that. Take care of it, no problem. So now, we just gotta finish up all of the final blocking, which actually, like any little stuff like this little corner, we need to go in there, clean all that up. I need to sand this edge so that I can I'll show you guys how I do my blend lines for my jams. But yeah, coming together good. So I'm gonna hit this with a Scotch-Brite, and then we're gonna pull it outside, blow it off, and get it in the booth. Good morning. It is time to paint this. So I'm gonna finish back taping everything. So I went back around and you tape the back sides of all the window openings, the wheel wells. These door jambs are a little more complicating. So I like to use a piece of fine line tape anywhere that it's gonna be flat. I have a piece, so this little piece of tape right there is rolled back, so it gives a soft edge, and then I have this fine line tape over top, and then when you peel the sealer, it leaves a nice edge right there. You gotta just peel that between coats. So yeah, that's fun. I have still the back to do and just finish cleaning and taping, and then I can wrap it in plastic and start painting.
Remember the words you told me, love me till the day I die.
Each layer.
Surrender my everything, cause you made me believe you're mine. Yeah, you used to call me baby, now you're calling me by name. Takes one to know one, yeah, you beat me at my own damn game. You're pushing, I'm pulling away from you. I give it, I'm giving you take, Young blood, see you want me, out of your life, and I'm just a dead man walking tonight. But you need it, yeah, you need it, all of the time, yeah. Young blood, see you want me, back in your life, so I'm just a kiss the last goodbye. Then one of us gets too drunk and calls about 100 times. So who even calling, baby? Nobody could take my place. When you looking at those strangers, hope to God you see my face. Pushing you, pushing, I'm pulling away from you. I give and you take, giving you take. You're on blow, so you want me out of your life, and I'm just a dead man walking tonight. But you need it, yeah you need it, all of the time, yeah. You're on blow, so you want me back in your life, so I'm just a dead.
We are all painted. So now tomorrow we can pull it over to the other side of the shop and start on wet sand and buff. So that'll be Nikki's job. So here's my transitions. You can kind of see that line right there. So quick polish and that will be perfect. So yeah, we're good to go. Thank you guys very much for watching, and hopefully this one will be all finished by the next video.